Hello and welcome back to 12 Days of DIY, Day 10. For this first project, we are starting by spray painting some glitter ornaments for a couple of reasons. Number one, glitter is extremely messy, so by spray painting the glitter ornaments, it keeps the glitter sealed in place. Number two, it creates added texture. Once our spray painted ornaments are completely dry, bringing them inside and dabbing on some rub and buff with a sponge brush, making sure to cover the entire ornament but not being too particular about it, just basically getting color pretty much all over the entire thing. After the rub and buff is dry, adding on all three colors of alcohol ink to add some more layers of color. Once the alcohol ink is completely dry, putting on an ornament cap and some ribbon to hang it from, and our faux hammered metal ornaments are completely done. For this next project, starting with a styrofoam cone shape for our tree and some buttons that I had left over. Starting at the very top of the cone shape, placing a straight pin through one of the buttonholes and continuing that process all the way around the styrofoam cone until it is completely covered. Once all of the buttons are added, putting some cylinder beads at the top to act as our tree topper, and here we have a cute little button tree. For this last DIY, taking 5 paper straws and just stringing some jute cord through each one. Turning the straws into the shape of a house. Taking corners 3 and 4 and pushing them up to the center of straw 1. Then taking corner 2 and 3, looping it over straw 4 and under straw 5. Then putting corners 3 and 4 over the center of straw 1 and maneuvering our star into place. Make sure you don't tie off your jute cord until after you've gotten your star in the position that you want it to be in, because you will need some wiggle room to get it into the exact spot that you need it. Once you tie off your jute cord, this paper straw star is all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in day 11 of 12 Days of DIY.